Down in the deep blue sea, there's a school for you and me.
With fins that flap and bubbles that puff, learning sea stuff is never too tough. Let's swim, splash, and giggle with glee at ocean school under the sea.
Hey!
Hello, students. I'm your bubbly buddy, Professor Pufferfish. Ready to learn something fantastic today?
Swish and leap, I love to play. I flip and spin all night and day. I'm a dolphin, fast and bright, jumping high, oh what a sight.
Click and squeak, I talk with sound. With my pod I zoom around. So come on now, do the dance. Wiggle your fins, here's your chance.
Time for fact or fishy. I'll say something, and you decide, is it true or just a splashy tale? Dolphins sleep with one eye open. Fact. Dolphins are fish. Fishy. They're mammals. Dolphins love to sing opera. Fishy. But wouldn't that be fun? Did you know? Dolphins use echolocation to find food and friends. They live in pods and help each other just like a team. Well, that's it for today. Stay curious, sea scholars. Until next tide.
We've learned, we've laughed, we've had some fun. But now our ocean class is done. Till next time, don't forget to smile. We'll swim again in just a